Good afternoon, this is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are looking at rates, and 10-year note yields are making a move. Traded above 3% earlier in the week, and now we've seen a sustained push higher, something I don't think the market was expecting. We extended as high as 309 today. Recall that we've been in that range from between 280 and 3% going back to May, and the market today neared those May 12th highs. That would be the year-to-date high mark in the 10-year note yield. Didn't quite get there, but certainly starting to show that after a big trade move yesterday to extend above 3%, now we've held it for a day and actually extended it a little further. So we are seeing 10-year note yields now test the upper end of the year-to-date range. We'll need to see a move, basically back below 3%, which we could see with FOMC coming up. But ultimately, I think that the market now is starting to really show its hand, and we're seeing a modest breakout of the range. We get to 315 or higher before FOMC. I think it really will take off. And if you look at market volatility, well, what happens when you break out of the range? Well, market does what it's not expected to do, and whammo, we get higher vols, and that's exactly what we're seeing. Treasury volatility back near the 14-day moving average for about the first time since the beginning of the month. It's a level we've struggled to get above since there hasn't been much reasoning for spiking in volatility in Treasury space, because of that range I just aforementioned from May to September has basically been 280 to 3%. We've bounced off both ends of that range several times. So this breakout could be a signal for higher vols to come. And if you want to look in comparison, we have the 2's 10-year trading at around 27. Yeah, that's modestly steeper. But the last time yields were this high, 2's 10s was trading around 54. So you can see where the difference is. It's not really in the 10-year. It's more in the short end of the curve, which is seeing a real bid in yield. So right now, 10-year notes entering the unknown zone if they can get above 310. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.